We have to assemble crane truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Crane truck. Keep it up. Make the arbor frame. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. That's all. Hooray! We have to assemble dumper. Hooray! Help the car make its way. Tap on a suitable tool. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Done! Prepare the backyard. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Dumper. Hooray! We have to assemble bucket lift. Keep up the good work. It's time to fuel. Bucket lift. Ready. Prepare the arbor. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. That's all. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Move the part to its place. Don't stop. Add some greens. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Arrange the furniture and equipment. The construction is complete. What a great pool you've built! We did it! You've finished the building. Here's a The old house came to